I hope you guys are having a nice day. So today we're in a different place. This is my boyfriend's place. We are currently in quarantine and it has been day 10 out of 4 weeks. I know it's been such a long time since I've done a YouTube video. I miss this so much. Like, welcome back to my channel that is almost dying. Like right now, there's so many platforms to put your videos on. There's like IGTV, there's like even TikTok, there's like YouTube. But okay, I still prefer YouTube because you can like put it on the background. You don't need to focus too much on it. Anyways, today, since we're so bored at home, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna play with a new palette that I've been eyeing for like so long. I need to talk about my current palettes first. Right now, I only have like some warm tones. It's very easy to use. That's why I thought like, okay, I don't need another easy to use palette. I want to go for something whack. So when I saw Huda Beauty launch this, let me just show it to you guys. Ta-da! So I was pretty intimidated by the colors. There's like mint, green, blue, and like pink. It's like very alien-like. So I never put like any blue eyeshadow before my eyes. So I'm pretty excited to try that out today. Okay, so here's the pretty eye palette. It's my first time unboxing this. I got it yesterday in the mail. So, oh my gosh. I love how it's like you can see a bit of iridescent thingy going on. It's a bit like rainbow. Also, please ignore my nails. I can't go out, I can't do anything with my nails right now. I don't have any remover at home. Ta-da! It's the colors! Look at it, it's just so pretty. I cannot, oh my god. So I'm just gonna do a very quick swatch on my hands here. Cause like this palette is not new. It's been a few months. Oh my god, that feeling when you put your fingers in a new palette. Oh my god, look at that! Wow! Oh my god, oh my god. Ooh! Okay, I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy to swatch the whole palette, so let's just get into it, okay? I'm super excited to see how I would look like with ding, ding, ding! This Tiffany blue color in my lid. I actually bought this from them. It's a matte and metal melted shadow. It's from Huda Beauty as well. I bought this specifically because I wanted to try it with this. I'm just like, the colors are just so like nice and cute because like pink and this color blue is like my favorite combination ever. So we're gonna test that out. I have no idea how it's gonna look like, but yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, so looking at the palette right now, their lightest color is this color called Momentum. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Nothing special. This is just like a normal base color, which is like nude. Can't really see it. I'm gonna try Utopia. They have like similar orange color shades too in their other palette. I have my Desert Dust right here right now. So I'm just gonna have a look. Look, it looks exactly or almost alike with Eden, which I use all the time. But if I put it side by side, it's almost identical, just that this palette looks a bit more darker. Utopia! So today I'll be cutting crease, and I'm just gonna darken this two crease part of my lids. I can't makeup guru! I don't know what are the terms. So I'm just gonna try and use Off Balance and a bit of Crash. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes first. Off Balance. So pretty. Ooh. I'm gonna try and mix a bit of Crash into it because I'm a bit greedy. I'm gonna try everything right now. I'm gonna use a smaller brush and try out Vortex. Vortex seems to be like the darkest color in the palette, so I'm a bit intimidated. Trying to darken my crease part. Okay, we're gonna try and blend this shit out with a bit of Karma. Karma looks nice. Karma looks a bit like Utopia, right? But I think it's darker, so let's just see how it goes. Just blending the Vortex out because the Vortex just looks a bit dark and dirty right now. Okay, let's move on to the most intimidating part of this tutorial. It's more like a first impression instead of a tutorial. I'm not teaching you guys anything. But yeah, it's time to cut my crease. I've only done this a few times, so it's always very stressful for me, and I cannot talk during this process. So I'm gonna just like add in music here and just fast forward this. So I'm just grabbing some concealer on a brush and just gonna try and cut my crease in here. My lord, I think I did it. So basically you just put concealer on this part of your eyes to look like you have double eyelids, make your eyelid look bigger. But yeah, I really don't know how do people make it look even, because I feel like this part is a bit high for me right now, but okay, it's alright. So this part, I think I'm gonna put like this mint Tiffany color in it. So right now I'm gonna try and use their matte and metal color. Not tried this before. I just got this in the mail yesterday as well, so okay. Oh my god, I'm so intimidated. This is how it looks like. Oh, so cute, but so like intimidating. How do I put this? Do I even use this? I don't think I'm gonna use this. So I'm just gonna get like a small brush, pack on some very bright blue to my lids. Oh, stress. Whoa! Whoa, my god! Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow! It's so pigmented! I feel like I'm going to a festival right now! Coachella, here I come! Oh my god. 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 Oh, don't fuck it up. Are you supposed to blend it out? I don't know. Okay, let me try and blend it out first. Oh no, it's going everywhere! Well, actually they dry pretty fast, and it's like what it says, it's a matte eyeshadow, which I have not used before in my life. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the liquid eyeshadow. Now we're gonna just pack in this Tiffany blue color right into here and see whether it makes a difference. The reason why I put this underneath is I just wanted to see if the color can like pop out more. Yeah. Wow, so happening. It actually looks really nice. I'm quite impressed. Like the pigmentation is really there. And I would reckon that you don't really need the melted eyeshadow below for like a chill out look more. So I think we got the color on our eyelids. So moving on, I saw this color, Mercury. Whoa, look at that shimmer blue. Wow. So again, I gotta mention that I have not tried blue eyeshadow on my eyes before. So this is really something new for me. I'm gonna try it on the side, on the outer corner of my eyes first. Okay, it's not as like bold as I thought it would be. It's just a little bit of shine there. It's not so bad. Maybe I'll put it on my whole lid with my fingers just to see how shiny it is. I wonder if I can get this level of intense. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I hope I don't look like someone punched my eye. It's nice. I might say it's nice. Packing it around my eyes. Oh my god, it's pretty. It's so beautiful, but like, can I use this every day? Can I like go to the grocery shopping and like have this look out? Well, that's really not the reason why I bought this palette. Just this palette is really just for fun, and because I love the colors. It's so pretty. It's definitely not an everyday eyeshadow palette, but I do see like, you know, there's some tones here that you can use every day, here a bit of tones that you can use every day. It's just this color's like, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love this palette, it's so pretty. Look, look. Make it go, whoa! Okay, so this is the blue. I think we're done with the blue. So let me just do my inner corners, and the lighter shade is this Super Moon. So I'm just gonna try and dig in with my fingers. Super Moon. Oh, pretty! This, oh my god. This eyeshadow palette is just so festival looking. Oh wow. Wow, I love it. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my eyeliner off cam. I'm gonna bronze up my face a bit, add a little bit of blusher. I'm just gonna fast forward this clip so I don't need to talk to y'all. And yeah, we'll get back in a bit.
You are now listening to SUNDAESINS Lo-Fi. Do 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 do. Got no budget to buy music. Do 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 do. Come on, it's close to the end now. Do 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 do.
Okay, so I just added some bit of bronzer, a bit of concealer underneath my eyes. This palette does not have any fallout. Oh my god. So far, it's so good. I'm just gonna complete the look with some colors underneath my eyelids. Let's just go safe and go with Utopia. Yeah, this is just the base. So I'm pretty okay to like put it everywhere. I think like this orangey pink color goes really well with the blue. Oh my gosh. So nice. Let's just do up here a bit. Yeah, do it here a bit. This part a bit. I'm gonna try a bit of Supernova. It looks orange on cam, but like off cam is a bit more pink tone. I guess it's like one of a dual tone kind of eyeshadow. Okay, just a little bit of shimmer. It looks exactly like Utopia, but with shimmer. Okay, so for the outer corners, I'm gonna try and dig in Vortex again, the darkest color. I noticed that Vortex is still not as dark as the usual blacks. It looks dark. It looks like a black color, but really it's just like a bit diluted plum. Nice. Right now I want to have some fun. So right now I want to try using this one, which is what I use on the base for my bright blue. I'm just gonna try and dip in some like, because I feel very festive right now. I feel like I'm going to a rave. I'm just gonna dip in some of these colors to draw something. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. It looks so nice on Instagram. Is this okay? Did I just fuck it up? They are a bit imbalanced. Let me just clean it. I don't know. In my mirror it looks cute, but I'm not sure how it looks like on the cam. So right now I'm gonna just set my hair a bit and fill in some mascara, and yeah, I'll get right back to you. And we're back. This is the final look for the eyeshadow. I added a bit of like Super Moon to this part. Oh my god, look at that glow. Okay, I'm sorry if the lighting is a bit off right now because it just decided to rain. When I film YouTube, it always rains. I don't know why. Okay, so I have not put on blusher yet because like your girl does not have like good blushes, so she uses blushes from eye palettes, like eyeshadow palettes. Look, like these two are like my usual blushes, so I'm gonna try the same thing with this palette. I'm gonna try and take Libra and maybe Utopia. So I'm just like packing some on my blusher brush, which I usually do. I just pack it on from eyeshadow palettes. People would be asking like, oh my god, your blushes are so pigmented. But they are actually from eyeshadow palettes. Ta-da! You see, it works! Oh my god. And it just makes the look all so balanced together. I guess the blusher works, but let's try and make it more intense. I'm gonna add some Utopia in. Make it look a bit orangey. Oh my gosh! I can definitely see the orange. I think there's so much colors going on my face right now. I'm just a bit overwhelmed. I think I'll try and fix my lip color because I feel like it looks a bit too much. I just feel a bit like two Chinese aunties in the 70s. And we're done! This is the final look. How you're feeling? I really like the blue. I think like I need to like nude my lips so it does not look so popping. But like, yeah, I like it. But there's a very fine edge between looking like I'm going to rave or looking like an auntie from the 70s. So yeah, let me know what you think. I definitely see a lot of use in this palette. Like, I know the colors are like, whoa, but that's only like up here. Like, there's so much things that you can play with in like this area, and I can see myself using this every day. So yeah, that's about it. I like it. I love it. So far, I'm digging it. I like the blusher too. Like, I added some in my nose because like nowadays, right, it's a bit more cute to put it around this area. Looks a bit like an e-girl. So yeah, I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys find this useful. If you guys are looking to buy this is how it looks like on Asian eyes, because I always notice that we don't have a lot of Asian people in the community talking about this palette. I don't know why. Like, when I was doing my research, I couldn't find a lot of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!